Managers at a consumer products company purchased personal computer software from only recognized vendors and prohibited employees from installing non-authorized software on their personal computers. To minimize the likelihood of computer viruses infecting any of its systems, the company should also blank. Okay, let's evaluate the choices for the best approach to minimizing the likelihood of computer viruses infecting any of its systems. Answer choice A. Restore infected systems with authorized versions. Look, if the virus infects a system, the company should restore the system with authorized software. I don't think we're denying that, but the procedure doesn't minimize the likelihood of the infection from initially occurring. So we can eliminate choice A. B. Recompile infected programs from source code backups. Look, if viruses infect programs that the company created, it should recompile the programs from source code backups. There's no denying this, but the procedure, again, does not minimize the likelihood of the initial infection. Remember, we're trying to prevent this from happening. That's another way of saying this. So A and B are both eliminated. Choice C, institute program change control procedures. Now, doing this is a good practice, but again, we're not minimizing likelihood of the system being infected initially here. Remember, this isn't your typical program change we're talking about. So this answer is put there to try to confuse you into thinking that somehow this would go through some sort of change management protocol. Again, it's a virus. They're not going through the normal protocols. Answer choice D is our only remaining answer, so we know it's going to be our answer. Let's review it anyway. Choice D states, test all new software on a standalone personal computer. Well, this is a really good idea. Software from recognized sources should be tested in quarantine. For example, in a test scenario or development machine, or a standalone personal computer. Because even if the vendor-supplied software is infected with viruses, you're only limiting the scope to that machine. So the software should be run with a vaccine program and tested for the existence of viruses or logic bombs or whatever the case may be. Answer choice D is the correct answer.